Welcome to this tutorial on how to combine two cells in Excel using the concat function. Combining cells is a common task in Excel, whether you're working with names, addresses, or other data that needs to be displayed together. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use the concat function to quickly and easily combine the contents of two cells. For example, I want to combine the first name and the last name. How to use the concat function to combine the first name and the last name. So, in other cell, write this function, equal sign, concat, and add text1 is the first cell, then add semicolon, and double quotation space, double quotation, then semicolon, then the second text in cell 2, then close parentheses, then enter, as you can see here. So to apply the function to other cells, select the first cell, then click here and drag, or just make double click, as you can see. That's how you can use the concat function in Excel to quickly and easily combine two or more cells. Give it a try in your own spreadsheets and let me know if you have any other questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with anyone else who could benefit from learning Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.